Alright guys, we're back at Wilkesboro Dragway, and you see that full tilt no prep. We will be talking about that in this video with something coming up later this month, so stay tuned and hope you enjoy it. Got it again.
1 year ago tonight, I did.
You ready to go automatic?
Nope, not yet.
Not yet.
I'll give myself 3 more tries.
3 more tries.
3 more drive shafts.
3 more drive shafts. We had to buy a car with an automatic and just play with this one. 3 more times.
3 more times.
Well, that'll work. Alright, some of you that's been around for Wilkesboro for many years probably recognize this car. I know we're not used to seeing it on wheelie bars, but it's just really good to see him back out here making passes in this thing. For those that do remember, I always know that it was pretty much on the back bumper every pass he made. How many of these do you see around anymore that's that good of a shape? Camaro versus Mustang here. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed it right there. But like always, testing seems like when you think you got your car figured out, you see something a little different and learn something every time. But either way, it's always a good time at Wilkes-Barre Dragway. Check them out on Facebook. And as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, we're going to talk about full tilt no prep and the date and what it consists of. So let's get right into that. Alright, full tilt no prep, run by Chris Huber. Here it is on Facebook. Go check him out. Follow along with him. And he's done some races at Wilkes-Barre so far. And you can go on the page and look at some of the videos, some of the funny memes and stuff he puts up. But we're going to get on down here to this Outlaw Television Network, which is premiering June 20th, 8 p.m. on Roku and Fire TV. Now, if you go on his page, you'll see little clips like this right here, and obviously you can watch them. There's quite a few of them posted, and it's just clips out of little inserts and stuff for the guys where they're being filmed for this show, I guess you could say. I mean, hopefully it takes off, because I can tell you right now, these guys, they've put in the time and they've put in a lot of hours, done a lot of racing, and they're putting down some pretty good times. They may not always be the fastest. Theoretically, the fastest should always win no matter what, but sometimes being consistent and just knowing the track and knowing what tune-up to put in goes a long ways also. Like I said, just go to full tilt no prep here. Let's get back to the top so I can show y'all again. Go ahead and follow the page there, and like I said, watch the video clips, mark the date on your calendar. Like I said, Chris has really supported us a lot. He's helped us a lot in just the past couple of years with these guys racing. So, I'm going to say thank you to him, and thank you to Wilkes-Barre Dragway for giving us a place to do this. So, guys, hope you enjoyed it. And leave us some comments. Let us know what you think. Watch the clips. Let us know what you think of some of the clips. Comment on his page right there. Like, share, subscribe. And we'll catch you on the next one.